Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT active and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on profile icon and here you should see your AMAZFIT active on the list of my devices. Tap on it to select it and here you can tap on watch faces. And as you can see right here we have the watch face store and we can browse through the different categories of watch faces. Some of them you need to pay for, some of them are free. So find the watch face you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, you can tap on it to select it, then tap on sync and the watch face will be downloaded and synced to your watch. As you can see, the watch face was applied and you can also check the list of watch faces on your watch by tapping on mine right here at the top, and here we have the list of watch faces and the watch faces you purchased or installed from the store, and here we have the one we installed, and you can tap on it and you can simply quickly sync it. If you used the other watch face, you don't need to go through the store and basically search for it. Okay, and that's how you download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.